2, and today we are going to make a volcano.
Your heart's pounding and it can't be stopped.
Okay guys, before we start to make this volcano, I'm gonna tell you guys what materials that we need to prepare.
You check behind the door, there's nothing there no more.
So the first material we need is clay. The second materials we need is baking soda, and the third one is food coloring. The next one is cardboard. The fifth are vinegars. And the last one are bottles. Okay guys, so the first step is we need to prepare the clay. After that, shape the clay to resemble a mountain. We spent a lot of time in making this mountain. We worked together to finish the mountain quickly. It took us 3 days to complete this mountain. The second step is to enter the bottle into the mountain. After we put the bottle in, we cover it with clay again. The third step is to put the baking soda into the bottle. The next step is to prepare the bottle. After that, fill the bottle with the water. Then, take the food coloring and pour it into the bottle. After that, close the bottle, then shake it. The fifth step is to mix the water with vinegar. Finally, we come to the most weighted step. The final step is to pour the vinegar into the bottle containing the baking soda. Okay guys, that's all. Thanks for watching. Bye.